Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm back with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets from Mechanical Toys. This time I was able to find a very odd character. I think they're called Boohbahs or Poobahs or the Grand Poobah or something. I don't know what it is. It is a weird looking blue alien, probably a copy of the Teletubbies or something like that, but we're going to do something here. We're going to see if we can do a quick fix job on this guy. I don't know if we can, but I'm going to give it a shot. So here it is. I think. Alright. What? Is it working? Okay. It's kind of scary. Is that all he does? Alright. Let's figure this out. I think I should be able to unscrew these guys and it'll be an easy job. And is it going to work? No, you know what? Hold on. I got part of it done. Let's do this. Let's get some skizzers in there. Gotta call them skizzers. I can't pronounce the word scissors. Thank you, Barry. Okay, so here we go. We're just cutting the little feet mechanism off here, the little feety deal here, because I don't see there's any use for that. We're just cutting and cutting and cutting. Cutting, cutting. There we go. Okay. Pull on the little guy there. Maybe I should leave that. Okay, so there is a, oh, where are they? There they are. There's a little mechanism in here, a little zip tie. Let's get the zip tie and remove that. Come on, zip tie. Work with me here. Come on, zip tie. Come on, zip tie. You can do it. Oh, for Pete's sake. Zip tie. Okay. I got the zip tie. All right, so here we go. Zip tie off. Then we can get that oh, come on. They're gonna pop right off there. Pop right off. Tell you what, let's pop. Break the knuckle. Ah. Oh, wow. Should have safety glasses for that. That tagged my arm. Okay, hold on. I can do it. There's nothing to it. Close my eyes. Close my eyes. Is it working? Hold on. It's stuck to the housing here. Let's see if I can twist it. I'm just going to keep twisting until something gives. Something's got to give. Maybe something doesn't have to give. Oh boy. This is a tough one. Ready? Let me see. Let's see this side. We're gonna do it. Hold on. I'm gonna grab it with my feet. You can still see me? Okay, good. Yay! Woohoo! Get that thing out of here. Okay, it looks like I did it. I didn't really remove anything. I don't think we can make a puppet out of him, other than I've got the mechanism here, and I can go, hi, I'm Boohbah, Boohbah. I think that's what he called himself. He was $2. Was that entertaining enough for you guys? So there he is. The Boohbah doll, whatever it is, and he can turn his neck like this. I'm Boohbah. So there he is. Thank you very much, guys, for coming along. For those of you who've been with us before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and you'll get all the fun updates. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye. Boohbah, Boohbah, Boohbah. Bye.